home from work and I'm still wearing my compression stockings. There. So I like to wear compression stockings kasi when I work, I'm always on my feet. And on the other side of the house is Olavi. He's trying to study, so I'm gonna try to behave para mapag-focus siya. So there you go. Oh, I'm going to eat chips. My chips. Got these little chips. Shapes. Okay, you do your fridge tour now. Can.
Okay. Hey, you know what?
You
said to me that we don't have enough spreads for the bread.
Yeah.
We have these feta cheese spreads.
Mhm.
We have 4 of these.
Yeah.
Plus,
Shh.
we have 3 spicy capsicum dips. So my question is, where's the bread? We need bread.
Do you want me to make a bread?
You can.
I just saying it because you wanna make me feel good.
Yeah. You can make a bread if I can go to buy the bread after you've been made the bread.
No way.
And I've got.
Okay, what do we have in the fridge? You got the whole Pepsi
all the
thing.
things you need. Loaf bread, Pepsi Max, salmon,
Okay, how about on that plate? What do you call that?
some kind of cake, and most important, mucho importante, toyo calamansi chili.
Okay, very good.
Alright, goodbye.
Alright. Time check. 6:30. And we are making noodles and pizza for dinner. Alright.
Such a gourmet meal.
Yes. It's a very, very healthy meal. So we're having Papa Giuseppe's. That's Auntie's dinner. And my dinner is dun, 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 look at me chicken. So here's the boiling water. And here is my noodles. And here is the pizza. Yan. So this is a frozen pizza kasi I'm feeling lazy to cook some dinner. So, this is how it looks. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Papasok na natin siya sa oven. Alright. Oven is ready. And pizza is in. So, it's gonna be there for maybe 15 minutes. And then here is my boiling water for my noodles, so it's almost ready. 2 noodles. And wait until it cooks. You know the rules. Are you excited for your dinner?
Yes.
Ready? Show me your happy face. Yes! Chicken noodles is ready. Kita nyo ba? Hindi. Yan na. Yan. Chicken noodles is ready. Kain tayo. Tada! Pizza is ready. Are you happy? Huh?
Yeah.
Alright. That's good. Come on now. Let's watch. Alright, dinner time. Show them your dinner. Go. Pizza and beer. Okay. Alright guys, that's for tonight and I hope you like that video and say good night.
Good night.
Alright, good night. Bye.